Bald-faced hornets are large, aggressive wasps with a wide distribution throughout the US. Like other wasps, these pests have smooth stingers which they can use to repeatedly sting anything they deem a threat, likely just for wandering too close to their nests. When a colony of bald-faced hornets establishes a nest onto or close to your home, they pose a safety risk to you, your family, and your pets. So in this video, we'll show you how to identify and treat bald-faced hornets on your property. To shop for the products featured in this video and to learn more about bald-faced hornets, click the icon in the top right of the screen or click the link in the description below. The first thing you should do in any pest control plan is identify what exactly you're dealing with. Careless identification can lead to wrong treatment methods, costing you time and money. Depending on where in the US you live, bald-faced hornets may go by another name, like the white-faced hornet, bald hornet, blackjacket, white-tailed hornet, spruce wasp, or bull hornet. Unlike other wasps, which are typically black and yellow, bald-faced hornets have black and white colorings. They grow to a larger size than most yellow jackets, with the workers growing up to 15 to 20 millimeters or longer. Inspection is the next phase of any good pest control plan. Once you know what your pests look like, check around your property to confirm their presence or find hotspots of activity. Bald-faced hornets will establish nests at least 3 feet off the ground. They can build nests in tree hollows or branches, shrubs, roof overhangs on sheds or houses, utility poles, underneath eaves or soffits, and against man-made structures like chimneys. The nests tend to be round, enclosed structures with a single opening near the bottom. If you spot any bald-faced hornets, keep track of where they travel, and they'll eventually lead back to the nest. Be sure to keep your distance to avoid aggression. Note down where any nests may be and where you've seen activity, as this information will help direct your treatment and prevention. After identifying your pest and inspecting for activity on your property, it's time to start treatment. Before starting any treatment, be sure to wear your personal protective equipment or PPE, and remember to keep all people and pets off the treated areas until dry. When dealing with stinging pests like bald-faced hornets, always use caution and keep yourself protected. We recommend you cover up as much exposed skin as possible with a professional bee suit to prevent stings and direct chemical exposure. To get rid of bald-faced hornets on your property, you'll use a combination of insecticides like Stryker Wasp and Hornet Killer, D-Fender Dust, and Sylo Insecticide. Stryker Wasp and Hornet Killer will knock down bald-faced hornets quickly, D-Fender Dust will treat and kill them as they leave and enter the nest, and Sylo will protect the surfaces of your structures from further pest activity. Stryker Wasp and Hornet Killer is an aerosol spray made with perlethrin that delivers a quick knockdown to bald-faced hornets and their nests, and it has a long reach of up to 20 feet. Simply shake, point, and apply the product to the nest. Spray until the nest is thoroughly wet, and make sure any pests attempting to escape make contact with the spray. Though the spray can reach up to 20 feet, it is best to spray from 6 to 15 feet away from the nest for accuracy. We recommend you wait until evening or night to treat a nest, since wasps will be resting inside the nest during that time. D-Fender Dust is a dry insecticidal dust made with deltamethrin that will treat bald-faced hornets as they attempt to enter and exit their nest. For nests established inside of structures, use a handheld duster to apply D-Fender Dust directly into the void or nest opening. Be sure to cover the entire perimeter of the opening as you apply the product at the labeled rate of 0.5 pounds per 1,000 square feet of treatment area. Do not treat overhanging nests. After you've treated the nests around your property, you'll make a barrier treatment with Sylo Insecticide to prevent any bald-faced hornets from reinfesting your structures. Spray a 0.1% emulsion of Sylo. You can do this easily by mixing half an ounce of Sylo with 1 gallon of water. We recommend you use a hand pump sprayer since you'll be spraying around the perimeter of your structures. Once your solution is mixed, apply Sylo around the exterior of your home and other structures. Treat along spots where bald-faced hornets would build nests, like along eaves, underneath porch ceilings, and around voids into the structure. This will leave a residual application that will help prevent wasps from re-establishing nests for up to 90 days. Prevention is essential to keeping pests in check. Even after you've applied pesticides, the best way to stop pest activity is to make sure it can't happen. Start by making sure your outdoor trash cans have tight-fitting lids and are kept as far from your home as possible. This eliminates a potential food source for any wasps, hornets, or other pests. Seal any cracks and crevices around your structure to block pest entry. Tight cracks should be sealed with caulk, while wider voids and crevices can be stuffed with copper mesh. Trim back any overhanging tree branches and overgrown shrubs away from your home or structure to reduce possible harborages. Finally, be sure to make regular reapplications of Sylo Insecticide. When applied properly, Sylo will prevent reinfestation of treated areas for up to 90 days. We recommend you apply Sylo quarterly for year-round control. Bald-faced hornets are a common and oftentimes painful problem for many homeowners, but there are ways to control an infestation that's gone out of hand. With these professional products and tips from Solutions Pest and Lawn, you can stop bald-faced hornets from infesting your home, and we offer fast and free shipping to help you get control quickly. Visit our website to get your products today. If you like this how-to guide, please share. And if you're new to our channel, subscribe for more how-to and product videos. And contact us for more tips, tricks, and DIY pest solutions.